welcome back to Nat's Creations. Today I'm bringing day 2 to life. So, on my next list I have Africa. So I'm going to take my little Africa cards, mix them up, then I'm going to choose one. I have Madagascar. I'm going to do a little bit of research on Madagascar, and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, I did some research on Madagascar, and I am going to do a baobab tree. I don't know how to say it. Baobab? Anyway, I'm going to do one in chalk pastels. I'm going to use pastel paper. And have my set, and then I have a pencil and eraser. So let's get started by picking our colors. I'm going to have a brown, a darker brown, like this color, and then I'm gonna have a nice kind of jungly green, and then a blue, then a lighter blue, tan-ish color, and black for a little bit of detail, a dark green, and then a light green, light earth green. And so now I'm gonna do my outline. This tree's kind of funny looking, so you can really get creative with your branches. But yet it still has lots of them, so be sure to include lots. So that will be my outline so far. And then I'll have some shrubs that kind of come over here, come down here. And then the sky will be in the background. So we're gonna get started by taking our brown, a light brown actually, and going into the tree. Pretty much fully covering it like that. And then we're gonna go through a few branches. Okay, then after you're done with those few branches, you can pick up your really dark savanna kind of green, and we're gonna start putting some leaves on this baobab tree, kind of dotting it all around. I've never really seen one of these trees up in person, so get kind of creative. Okay guys, I'm gonna actually go back and just fill in each of the tree branches, because I'm sure baobab trees don't actually have too many leaves on them. So I'm sure all this should be covered up. Okay, back to our leaves. Okay, once you're done with that, we are going to add a few more branches just on the inside. They can be really small, coming off the other branches. And then we are going to take our darker brown and make a few of these leaves. Okay, once you're done with that, we are going to go a little through the tree and add a little bit of texture in here. Eventually we'll come back and rub that all in, and I'll probably add a little more to that. Now we are going to start with the sky. It's gonna be a little darker up here, so we're gonna take our darker blue and come in through here. Having a tree in the sky like this is a little hard, so we'll just kind of scatter some blue in here. So if you kind of spot it in there, it'll look pretty nice. I'm gonna stop about here with this color though, and then start to transition into the blue, lighter blue. Leaving a little space for our shrubs in between. Oops. So, after you're done with that, we are going to start doing our shrubs. I'm gonna start with our dark green and add a little bit of this in through here. Actually, I'm going to take the lighter green, going all throughout there, and then we are going to go back to our darker green, come through here again in a few places, making some of it kind of sticky, other parts of it a little less sticky, more like shrubs. Okay, then after you're done with that, we are going to go to our Savannah-y green. Add some sticky things in through here. Adding a little bit of the actual shrubbage in there too. Then after you're done with that, we can go through with the brown. Add a few branches in here, especially in through here. Even adding a few brown stickies. Okay, then after we're done with that, we are going to start by mixing in the sky. I am going to take a pad of foam, rip a little part off. Okay, then after you're done mixing that in, should be good, but if you want, you can add a few more of these to fill in what you lost. Now we are going to mix in the tree. Now we're going to go through with our dark colors again. Go through there a little, and then we're going to take our tan and go through here a little. Thanks so much for watching Nat's Creations. Like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, comment down below. Join me tomorrow for our World Tour Day number 3. I will be doing the Americas next, so stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.